Hey everyone, Saviroosje here with a surprise video. First of all, happy holidays! Today I have a special video for you all. I will be creating a drawing and use only traditional Christmas colors for the coloring. So red, green and a touch of gold and glitters. These are all the materials I used for this drawing. I used watercolors, pencils and Posca markers and of course some gold and glitter. So the point of this video is that I just wanted to let you all know that I'm honored that you watch my videos and support me. Even though I do not upload that often anymore, I really appreciate every comment and all the support. So thank you for everything and hopefully I can create more videos in 2020 and continue with what I love doing, creating art and make videos. Sorry for this quick message, but I'm going to celebrate the holidays, which means stuffing myself with lots of nice food. So enjoy the rest of the video and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy and creative New Year. Bye bye!